Installing a faucet is easy. Keeping it perfectly straight, that's the hard part. Here's a simple trick that works every time. This old stainless steel faucet has started leaking. So it's time to replace it. If it's too tight to remove by hand, use an adjustable wrench for extra leverage. I'm replacing it with an inexpensive plastic faucet. Before using any thread seal tape, install the faucet first. Count exactly how many turns it takes before it stops. Mine stops after 4 1/4 turns, so the faucet isn't perfectly straight. Not every faucet stops at exactly the same position. That's why I always test fit it before using thread seal tape. It only takes a minute, and it makes it much easier to get the final position exactly right. Now I know exactly how much adjustment I need. By adding a thicker layer of thread seal tape, the threads become tighter sooner. This allows the faucet to stop right where I want it, perfectly straight. A thicker layer of seal tape also helps reduce the chance of leaks. Just don't use too much. You still want the threads to engage properly. Now let's turn the water on and see the result. The faucet is perfectly straight. And there are no leaks at all. A small trick like this only takes a minute, but it can save you from reinstalling the faucet later. Taking a little extra time now can save you a lot of frustration later. If you found this tip helpful, give it a try the next time you replace a faucet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next project.